take a look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the remote keyless entry, emissions, federal requirements, GVWR, 9,500 pounds, 4,309 kilograms, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, engine, Vortex 6.0L variable valve timing SPI, skid plate package, frame-mounted shields, audio system, AM/FM stereo with MP3 compatible CD player and the trailering equipment, heavy duty. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.